Something strange is happening inside certain laboratories, and some believe it could reshape everything we know about aging. For decades, scientists watched cells weaken, fade, and collapse as time pressed forward. Now a series of rejuvenation experiments is forcing researchers to pause, listen, and reconsider the rules they thought were unbreakable. The idea seems almost unsettling at first whisper. Young blood and bone marrow interacting with aged cells, creating signals that appear to restore lost vitality. In early studies, old cells began repairing damage faster. In others, mitochondrial activity noticeably increased. One team reported improved protein folding, something thought to degrade permanently with age. When you read these details, you can almost hear the faint electrical hum of those experiments, as if the cells themselves were waking from a long sleep. But the deeper you look, the stranger the picture becomes. Some theories suggest young blood carries molecular cues that reprogram cellular behavior. Others argue bone marrow factors may reset inflammatory pathways. Researchers debate which mechanism matters most, yet almost all agree something real is happening. Still, the leap from observation to full rejuvenation remains uncertain, and the scientists closest to the data emphasize caution whenever results seem too dramatic. Then comes the twist that pulls even seasoned biologists to the edge of their seats. When aged human cells were exposed to this combined environment, their structure shifted. Protein networks strengthened. Telomere activity showed subtle changes. The cells didn't just improve, they behaved younger. You can almost picture a microscope lens sliding into focus as a researcher gasps quietly, realizing the implications stretch far beyond a single experiment. This is the moment that becomes your pull moment. If old cells regain youth under controlled conditions, what does that mean for future treatments? Could this be a precursor to slowing aging, or is it simply a fleeting reaction inside glassware? The question hangs in the air, creating a tension you can feel through every illuminated petri dish. As the story settles, a wave of reflection begins. Aging has always felt inevitable, a slow unraveling nobody could reverse. Yet these studies hint at forces inside our biology we barely understand. Some believe this could lead to therapies mimicking young blood signaling without actual transfusion. Others warn that early excitement often collapses under larger trials. The lab lights glow softly over each sample as if holding secrets still forming. By the time the softer resolution appears, nothing feels fully answered. The research is expanding, funding is growing, and the scientific community is watching with quiet anticipation, but the real meaning remains untouched. Are scientists glimpsing the first steps toward controlled rejuvenation, or are these early results just one more mysterious anomaly in a field filled with them? It all leads to the unresolved question that pulls the viewer toward what comes next. Could the blueprint for extended youth already exist within us, waiting for the right signal to awaken? Or will the truth reveal a boundary science cannot cross? For the next chapter in discoveries shaping our future, continue the journey in the next video, and subscribe so you never miss what unfolds next.